a garden party in 1 week and nothing to wear until she stepped in. Ah. She knows it's 71 degrees. It's the weekend. These outfits from my closet are beautiful. Shout out to my stylist. I kind of already knew, but at least now I have receipts. Okay, this is my wish list that I showed you, and I was surprised about the total in there. It's so easy to just keep putting stuff in your wish list. But if you go right here, you have anything in your wish list that you really like. This dress is so cute. I'm going to click that. I'm gonna go up here, and you see this compare? I'm gonna click that. That is gonna trigger it to find deals on the likeness, same color, same style, for a better deal. So we can go ahead and look right here. I guess, let's see. Cute. And then you can say you bought it, save to wish list, or skip. And then when you buy an item, it actually saves in this purchase, and then your analytics will be able to keep up with that. But this is probably one of my favorite features about this app. Oh my god, planning a trip is so stressful, especially because you want to like plan cute outfits for each day, and it's just like, how do I do that? I'll tell you how. In the Style Hub, where wish list was, if you can see right here, it says trip planner. So you click on that. I already have some pre-made. We click new trip. You put your trip name. You import your booking budget, your booking link, so it can add it to your budget, the start date, end date, trip type, accommodation style, and your budget, and it creates a trip tab for you. Now let me show you what it looks like. So I created one for Hawaii, if you can see, and I said that I was going to be there for 8 days. So it says 8 days up there, resort, and each day has its own log for morning, afternoon, and evening. When you click on that, you get to plan your activity for the day, and not only that, you get to plan your outfit for that moment. And all of that clothes that you plan actually comes from your closet. So whenever you decide to fill out the sections that you want to fill out, you go to the second tab up here, I don't know. It says pack. You click on that. AI shopping suggestions always get generated just in case you're missing something for your trip or you didn't pack enough. The AI always got you covered. And plan your pack. Oh, there you go. There's shopping links right there. And plan your packing list right here. It shows all the clothes you've already packed for the day. And then a little clothes counter. So if you're staying there for 4 days, you probably need 4 shirts. You probably need 4 sleeping things. You probably need 4 panties. And that's all in a checklist. And here's another check. Here's the main checklist. Also has documents, electronics, and then the budget tab. Your booking is imported, or you can add it. There's track prices for stuff you wanted from the AI suggested, and all your expenses are logged, so you know how much your trip you're going to spend and how much you don't want to spend. I know what I want, but I just can't draw it. Maybe my AI stylist can help. Why did I even try to draw? That's me in a corset top right there. You see? Just generated it. Now the good stuff. Shop this look. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Ooh. This one's really hot. That one's really hot. I love House of CB. House of CB. That's so cute. I'm gonna add to wish list. Add it to wish list. She made me want it, and the app made it happen. Hello. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video half as much as I enjoyed making it for you, because I had a ball.